Okay, guys, this is Peter, and sometimes y'all might get the black screen when you're playing games like Minecraft, Balloons Battle, Clash of Clans, and other games that are like that. And people tell you put the excessive touch on, which is under general and accessibility and excessive touch. But it doesn't actually do anything. Cause I have it on, try to record Minecraft and stuff. And yes, it'll show the Mojang and then the home screen for a little while, but then it'll go black, which sucks. And you don't want to jailbreak your phone because bad stuff can happen to it if you mess it up. So I actually have another screen recorder and other apps like the Emu for iOS store and other stuff like that. But it doesn't actually work. So don't listen to all these other YouTubers that said, okay, now you can go play Minecraft and stuff. You can't actually do it, which really sucks. But I did play Five Nights at Freddy's, and I don't think that is like Minecraft and stuff. I think that has different contents and stuff. And you can't fix it, but you need to remember that it is still only in beta, like it says in that store. Once you click it, see, just read it. Wait. I know it says that it's. I know it says it somewhere. So, beta testers. Bye.